Chapter beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my digital papers advent calendar 2024. I'm going to be doing a freebie a day throughout the month of December, so starting from the 1st up to the 24th of December, and then you get a very special one on Christmas Day, which you're going to receive a very large paper pack. Okay, so this is my way to say thank you to every single one of you for your continued support throughout all this year. And this is a series I do every single year on my channel. The freebie will be available on my Facebook group, so follow the link at the end of the video. So let's start and show you the freebie for today. Welcome to day number 24. Happy Christmas Eve. Hope you guys have a lovely time with your friends and family. Hope you are enjoy the festive season, and if you don't celebrate, I still wish you guys they have a good month of peace and tranquility. Today's freebie is this one here. Is a background that I have designed using a collage of different papers from my very popular kit. It's called the Vintage Cookbook. I have 4 different papers on my website, and it's called the Vintage Cookbook, the base, the background, the accessories, and then there is a digital papers with 100 or recipes that you can use to make your vintage cookbook. Now this one here is called the Vintage Cookbook, but it's just purely backgrounds. Okay, so you've got some embellishments that you can fussy tags together, some more labels, and then I made this using some different pictures. That's the Italian chef menu. So this can be the cover of your cookbook if you want. Some cutlery with some vintage cherries, lovely lemons and butterflies. Yeah, I have used this page here for your freebies, and I've added more embellishment on top. You've got your traditional tablecloth in different colors that you can use as a background. Okay, so every page on this kit is been designed to work together to create your vintage cookbook. As I said, it's a series of 4 digital papers that you can find on my website. If you guys are interested, if you're planning to make your own cookbook, or as a gift, or even to yourself, go and check it out. But let me show you where you can find today's freebie on. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, AntonioMakes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media, and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on file, we'll see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc, etc, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the 3 dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay guys, so throughout the month of December, you can use the code ADVENT, and I'll put here on the screen, ADVENT 2024, to get 30% off everything on my website, including the kit that you just saw today, but also my workshop, my ebook, all my digital papers, etc, etc. I'm going to go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Big thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, and I will see you tomorrow for another freebie. Mwah. Bye.